Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today, inshallah, we are going to practice the bouncing ball. And during this practice or this exercise, uh, we are going to try to use the some of animation principles like the stretch and squash, like the arcs, working with arcs, also the ease in and out, and the timing principles. So during our work today, inshallah, we are going to practice four animation principles during this practice. First of all, we have a ball here. During this the animation, if we didn't convert it as an as a symbol, if we didn't do not convert it to a symbol, we might face a problem with the quality of the ball. In some frames, we can see that might be some pixelation of the ball image. So it's better to change it at the beginning. So if we didn't change it at the beginning, then we need to change it at every keyframe. So I'm going to do it at the first here by clicking on right and then convert to symbol. I'm going to use the movie clip for today. And here cache as bitmap. After that, I'm going to start the animation. First of all, I'm going to create classic tween. And here at frame 12, by using the free transform, I'm going to move it here to make it hit the ground. And here, for example, at frame 80, I'm going to move it back. Let me enable the onion skin, see, and to fix everything. For example, here, I'm going to put it back a little. And here, sorry, at the beginning, I'm going to move it little back, little. And that makes sense. I click on live. You can see that the animation for the ball now for sure it is not realistic or close to realistic. We need to fix it. I enabled the loop. I put it at 25 to see the movement more than one time. For now, we are going to use the ease in and out for the ball before it hit the ground. Here, I'm going to click on classic ease. As I said, we can work with them with all the properties together or one of them. By properties here, we mean the position, rotation, scale, and others. I'm going to keep them together. I'm going to click on classic ease. I'm going to use the ease in. I'm going to use the card for now. Double click on it. And after it hit the ground, I'm going to use the ease out. Ease out, also card. Double click. You can see based on the onion skin, a few frames when the ball hit the ground, and that means the ease in and out will work correctly. Now everything is okay, but I need to fix the ball movement. Now the ball moves in straight when it goes to hit the ground and after it hit the ground, and this doesn't make sense. We need to make it curve when it hits the ground and curve after it hit the ground. So starting here, I'm going to move the ball. I'm using the arrow now. You can see a new key is added. And then I'm going to move here. Also move it a little to the, I need to click on it. And then Here also. We said I'm going to fix it before and after. Let me try now. Yeah, now it makes sense. I'm going to make it go up a little more. Okay. At frame 12, the ball hit the ground. Before that, then one frame, I need to make it squash by using the grid transform. I'm going to rotate it a little. When it hit the ground, before I added the stretch, sorry, not the squash when the ball hit the ground. After that, within one frame also, I'm going to make it squash again with some rotation. And here also, I'm going to make it start squashing. Here, I'm going to make it start stretching again. I'm going to make it stretch also, not a little. So now try to, yeah, I increase the squashing a little to make it more clear. I can decrease it, of course. Now I need to add some rotation. I'm going to disable the onion scanning for now. I'm going to make it 40, the rotation. And here, 60. And here, 50, for example. Let us try. And now it makes sense. This is how we can create an animation for a bouncing ball. Of course, this is one hit. We can fix the rotation more, for example. For example, here, can make it 70. And that's how we can use the ease in and out, we can animate the ball in curves, how we can use the stretch and squash, and how we can fix the timing by using by changing or adjusting the ball over the time, the ball position over the time. And that's it for today, and thank you.